What's up, everybody? This is Will from the Mountain Riding Lab. I'm coming at you today to show you the BCA MtnPro Tunnel Bag and how it fits on a Polaris. This is something that we've been getting a lot of questions about because people want to get away from having external straps holding their tunnel bag to their sled. So if you go to Polaris.com and search for the Lock and Ride Service Kit, you can get these clips that are going to hold your MtnPro Tunnel Bag really securely to your sled. Alright, so if you disassemble this lock and ride clip from Polaris, you'll see there's a rubber bushing here and this metal washer. You want to keep those on. Those are going to go on the underside of your tunnel bag. The clip to hold it in place, and then this is the latch. The lock and ride clip disassembled, you just run it right up through the bottom of the tunnel bag. And I like to keep the plastic plate that comes with your tunnel bag in the bottom there. And you're just going to insert the pin. Install the clip. This mounts the bag to your sled nice and secure. Alright, this is Will from the Mountain Riding Lab. I hope this video is helpful for learning how to mount your BCA MtnPro Tunnel Bag onto your Polaris Snowmobile. If you have any questions, just call BCA's customer service. They'd be happy to help. We'll see you on the mountain.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.